In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Facebook account. We'll walk through the exact path you need to follow on a desktop web browser, explain what each screen means, and make sure you understand the difference between deactivation and permanent deletion so you don't click the wrong option by mistake. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to facebook.com. Sign in with your email and password, then click Login. Once you're on your home feed, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. From that menu, choose Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. On the Settings page, look at the menu on the left side and click Account Center. This hub controls your profile and account details across Facebook and related apps. Inside Account Center, select Personal Details. Next, click Account Ownership and Control. This is where Facebook groups options related to managing your account status. Choose deactivation or deletion. If you have multiple profiles, you'll see them listed here. Select the Facebook profile you want to remove. On the next screen, you'll see two choices, deactivate and delete account. Deactivation is temporary and hides your profile, while deletion is permanent after a short waiting period. For a full removal, choose delete account and make sure the circle next to delete account is filled, not deactivate. Click continue. Facebook may show reminders about what deletion means or offer to switch to deactivation. Review the information so you're confident you're proceeding with the permanent option. When prompted, enter your password to verify it's you. Then confirm that you want to permanently delete the account. After you confirm, your account is scheduled for deletion. That means it doesn't disappear instantly. Facebook provides a 30-day window during which the request is pending. During this time, the account is in line to be removed and is not intended for use. If you're certain about your decision, there's nothing else you need to do. Just allow the 30 days to pass. Once that window ends, your profile and most associated content are permanently removed and can't be restored. Before you begin, it's a good idea to make sure you're choosing the correct profile if you use more than one, and to double check that you truly want deletion rather than deactivation. Take a moment to read each screen carefully so you don't miss any important notices. That's the complete process. Follow these steps carefully and you'll successfully delete your Facebook account.